All right, everyone, welcome to another episode of Built by KC. In today's episode, we're actually talking about my personal vehicle, this GX470. It's currently the media vehicle because I'm media and it's my vehicle, so it's exactly what it is. Today, we are focusing all about this front bumper. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to my buddy AJ's house at Bastard Fab and get this thing all put together. Let's go take a look. Alright, so we just finished the bumper. So I have a few questions for you, AJ. Number one being, do you think this bumper kit is a good one for someone who just bought a welder and is learning how to weld?
I mean, yeah, in the sense of that all the steel's pre-bent, pre-cut, super duper clean. Everything slips together piece by piece, you know, everything has little notches and so I mean, yeah.
Cool. So on that note, what is a few tips you'd give to someone welding this bumper, seasoned or brand new?
I guess first and foremost, read through the instructions. We ran into that issue where we skipped a step and had to go back. I kind of got ahead of myself and started just looking at the CAD image, and I was like, oh, okay, I can piece it together just like a Lego kit. I'd read through it. Bevel all the pieces. There's a bunch of joints that we needed to bevel, obviously, to get a nice weld, so that way when we ground it all down, there was still some structure there. If you bevel everything up front, it cuts time in half. I learned that from going from one side to the other because I beveled each piece individually, and then the second side, we knew which sides to bevel, and then it went together, and again, half the time. Oh. There we go.
Boom.
It's official.
Boom. All right, cool. All right, I'm out of here. See you guys. See you later, dude.
Later.
Hey!
that's going to be it for this episode of Built by KC. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed talking about this thing, so expect some more episodes on this thing coming soon once we do more stuff to it. But for now, make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions about the build or about any of our other stuff down below. And if you like this video, make sure to hit like. Make sure to subscribe too so you don't miss all of our future content, like future build series and stuff. We have more stuff coming, promise. That's it, guys. Remember to adventure further. See you in the next one.
Okay.